How to fix Capcut sign in problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the sign in error on Capcut. Now, you might get the sign in problem or sign in error due to various reasons. First, you'll have to know what are the reasons that you can't log in. The first thing is this server overload. If there isn't server overload, then you might get the difficulty in signing in. In that case, you can wait for a couple hour or a couple minutes and you can try signing in back again. The second is the technical difficulties. Alternatively, the Capcut platform won't work during server maintenance or when the app developers run tests. So if that is the issue too, you can simply wait. Now, if you're having error despite all this, if you have tried it, waited and tried again and again, and you're not being able to sign in, then you can simply go ahead and you can uninstall the application and install it back again and try logging in. Make sure that you have the stable internet connection and make sure that Capcut is accessible in your region. Now, Capcut isn't available in all countries or regions, so you might be having issues. You can go ahead and try and connect to VPN. You can download VPN from Play Store and you can connect to any VPN network, switch the server and then try signing in. So this way you can fix the Capcut sign in problem. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.